Meyer Cone Beam CT is a product of innovative design with the application of large-size dynamic flat panel detector. Panoramic CBCT scan and cephalometric can be done in this efficient 3-in-1 system. Use touch panel to adjust machine position. Chin support, front teeth bite and dual beam laser as a fixture for patient's position. Pulsed radiation technology is applied to minimize the radiation dose. With various scanning models, Meyer offers personalized reconstruction parameters to acquire the best browsing. Patient's registration, positioning, preview and data receiving is found in registering and scanning interface. Operations become simple and quick. Various 3D reconstruction modes are applied to support sagittal, coronal, vector, or any cross-section MBR reconstruction. Observe interactional or any cross-sectional view. Diagnosis and implant design is done for individual treatment. CAD simulation tools. 3D observation makes intuitive and accurate browsing. BMD analysis offers quantitative data analysis. Meyer Cone Beam CT features in fast imaging, low radiation dose, flexible configuration. It provides personalized treatment programs. Meyer Optoelectronic Technology Incorporated offers quality, efficient, and attentive service for clients. The launch of Meyer Cone Beam CT is a landmark for development of China's medical imaging technology. It creates a high-end brand of Chinese medical imaging device. Meyer CBCT is assured of a place in the world medical field.